Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be trying to improve cursive handwriting. So let's start the video. So in this video we'll be discussing some stages or steps with which we can improve cursive handwriting, and we'll be writing on a slanted way and we'll be using some slanted guidelines. So let's start the video. So in this stage, we'll be using some slanted guidelines, and on the paper, we'll be writing the cursive in a slanted way. So these slanted pages are available in the internet and can be downloaded for practice. 3mm, 2mm or different sizes also will be available. If these sheets are not available, then with the help of a pencil and a scale, these lines can be drawn and can be practiced. So the lines, the angle and the size will depend upon the practice. The angle of the lines will be 4 to 5 degree, and if we draw such lines or guidelines, we can practice on them without downloading them. For cursive writing, the angle is very important. So all the letters, all the words have to be on the same side or in the same direction. So for writing some lines adjacent to each other or one below another, so this practice we'll be doing, like we'll be writing some words very close to each other and below one another. In the next stage, we'll be using pencil, like it will help to create the shades or shape while coming down, or for the downstroke, or same simple pencil also can be used without flattening the nib, but pencil practice will improve a lot. In this example or stage, we will be using parallel nib pens and will not be writing cursive, but this will also improve in cursive writing. This practice will help in improving the capital letters or the initial letters while writing the cursive writing. For this practice, sketch pen or any pencil or any brush can be used for practice. So here I will be using parallel nib pen, and the main important thing will be the structure or the angle of the capital letter, because while designing or giving the style of a capital letter, the alignment should remain same according to the slanted angle of the cursive writing, and it will define the remaining word or the letters of the word. after trying on a slanted guidelines, we'll be using the two lines without any guidelines. So now the angle of the letters have to be defined by me or the writer. So the angle has to be same for all the letters and word. So it should look same. So while writing in a cursive way, the initial capital letters will be in style or some styles will be added. So some examples will be shown here. The cursive can be written without any style also, like without styling any initials, simply the letters are written. That also can be done and we can practice. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.